Okay, so I thought I had a bad bearing in my washing machine. So I tore it all apart because you have to remove the entire drum to do it, to change out the bearing. But I had a screeching sound with every turn of the drum instead of a hum, so I thought maybe it's not the bearing. But I didn't think long and hard enough, and I went ahead and bought bearings and tore it all apart. And then I got to the access panel, and the rotor screws that screw it onto this plastic centerpiece that goes onto the shaft, those 3 silver screws were loose, and that's what was making all the racket. So if you have a screech instead of a hum, check that first. I think I'm going to throw some Loctite on the ends of those screws now that I got it back together. To get that off, there's just a center bolt there that goes into the shaft, and you just pull it away from the magnets and screw those screws in a little tighter and put it back on. Piece of cake. Unfortunately, I have to put this whole thing back together again because I thought I was changing bearings. Bearings make a humming, growling sound. If you have a screech or a squealing sound, check your rotor. Just take the back access panel off.